Up guys, got something cool on my helmet today. It's a Syphon Sound headset for listening to music and writing. And let me tell you what, I'm not sponsored by Syphon Sound at all. And I probably just had one of the best writing days of my life here today in Kentucky at a new off-road park that's going to be opening soon. I've rode here my whole life and we're going to share it with you and the world here soon. So anyways, Syphon Sound headset coming to you live, and we're going to be climbing some stuff here shortly. So let's get to it.
Goon climbers!
This is awesome. The right sound. Man, this Syphon Sound headset is the best thing that's happened to me on a dirt bike since I learned how to ride one. Yeah. All right. Spartans! Man, undefeated, boy. You ain't seen nothing like this. Yeah, we gotta come out of this hole screaming. Yeah, watch this. Here we go, Woods Hill. Man, these Syphon Sound headphones are like on another planet. First gear, baby. All right, let's see what we got coming up. Whoa, that's what I'm talking about. All right, we're gonna drop in, baby. Ah. Woo! Well, we're gonna go back down this. Oh yeah. Non-stop, baby. Non-stop. That's how we roll. Alright, we're going over to get him, bud. Yeah, we're coming, bud. The headset dropping the beat. Oh! Hey, Bubba, what we got going on here, dude? Dude, you hot, bro, that's a gnarly hill.
It's all washed out now.
Dude, bro, you gotta blow it out. Someone has to blow it out, and that's you, Bubba. Dude, someone has to blow this thing out again, and it's gonna be you. Dude, I know you can do it. Bro, this thing is, wheelbase is so short.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude. I'm
We got
surprised.
videos of me hitting it before.
Yeah, but
Before all this.
no, you have to blow it out, man. You're gonna have to.
Try it again.
You're gonna have to be the bad mother effer that blows this thing out. All right, Captain, we drop back down and we're gonna go around. This stuff sucks so bad. Yeah! Come on!